Hi class, let's take a look at example 4. In an example 4, it has a couple of multiple parts. The main idea is that in this case, an individual is borrowing $25,000 for a period of 3 years, and one loan that they're giving her is at 4%. The second one, it's at 1.8%. And what we're going to be looking is at, well, how much money this person ends up actually paying at the end of both of those scenarios. Okay, so let's take a look at the first one. So they want us to calculate the interest on the loan if it was just 4%. So this is I is equal to PRT. So we're talking about $25,000. The rate is 4%, so 4 over 100, and then it's for a period of 3 years. Please evaluate that one. And I'm getting that this is a total of $3,000. So the total interest is equal to $3,000. Okay, so in part B, they want us to determine the total money that they're going to be repaying. Well, total money repaid. So total money is going to be equal to the interest plus the loan. So in this case, the actual interest was $3,000 plus the loan was $25,000. So total money repaid, it's going to be $28,000. And let me just rewrite it as a sentence. So total money repaid at 4% is exactly $28,000. So that's with the interest at technically 4%. Now, the basic idea here is to take a look at these actual type of interest or type of loans and see what's the difference in the interest that they're charging and how much money you end up paying. Now, part C basically says the following: another bank gives you a better offer, and the offer is 1.8%. So in this case, the actual interest, this is equal to I, this is equal to PRT. It's going to be equal to the $25,000 times 1.8 divided by 100, and it was a 3-year period. So please evaluate this one so we can compare. I'm getting 1375. Actually, 1350, sorry. So notice the difference in this situation. It's only 1,350. With the 4%, it was 3,000. So it kind of makes a difference. So total money repaid is equal to the interest plus the loan. So in this situation, we're looking at 1350 plus the 25,000. So we're gonna end up with, I'm getting 26,350. And in this case, the actual total money repaid it's a total of 26,350. Let me double check. 26,350. That's gonna be it. Now, what you're gonna find in the finance sections that we're talking about is that in any type of a loan, you are trying as much as possible to keep the interest rate that they're charging you low. And what the finance companies will do is they give you this specific, interest rate based on your credit ratings. So you want to have the best credit so that you're marketable and that you can actually, in this case, try to obtain the best loan possible. Technically, anything is negotiable in terms of loans. You just have to have a very good credit in order for the banks or you to apply for the best loans. Otherwise, in this case, they can give you even higher than that. We'll talk about that once we look at the house payments.